Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This is a 1976 Oldsmobile Toronado. So it was front-wheel drive, big engine, probably a 455. And this is a second generation. The first gen was 66 to 70. Second gen was 71 to 78. Both were designed by David North. The 66 through 70 had Bill Mitchell involved. Most of you guys probably know Bill Mitchell as a designer for GM. What an amazing car. The first generation was about 5,000 pounds, and this car length was about 211 inches. The first gen was 211, and this is like 219, so slightly longer and about 200 pounds less. Check out those taillights, the blinkers there in the upper deck underneath the back window. Just a very cool car. Great design. This is before the gas prices went through the roof. The third and fourth gen got very short and smaller engines, weighed a lot less. But just a really cool car. And I had to shoot this. The gentleman that owns it was not really interested in getting on camera, but I just couldn't pass that up. Look at the design of that handle, too. Everything about this, the body lines, hubcaps, just the length of the vehicle, again, 219 inches as far as the length and about 4,500 pounds. So pretty cool car. This was all before the gas prices went through the roof and caused them to have to make smaller cars. And check out that mobile phone. That's the way they were back in the day. So very cool car. Hope you enjoyed the video. And again, a 1976 Oldsmobile Toronado. Look at those front turn indicators on that front fender. Thanks again for watching.